Hey guys, come on, let's look for some cute characters from the movie The Amazing Digital Circus in this nice place. Who's hiding on the floor? Wow, that's a bubble. Hi Zooble, what are you doing there? Wow, it's Caine. He's hiding upstairs. I think it is a ragatha. Yes, that's right. Hey Jax, why are you in there? Zooble, he hid in the window. Is that Pomni? Wow, we were right. Then who is there? We have to open this thing. How it turns out it's a kinger. Yeah, we managed to find them all. Thank you guys. See you again next time. Bye.